Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new installation, but I already have these lights. I did the installation on these lights before, but the only problem is that I'm looking through Amazon and the company that I get these lights from, they don't sell these no more. I don't know why they stopped selling it. Probably they just run out right now. So I contact Cartering Home and they send me the lights for my 2021 RAV4. The only thing that I'm gonna do on this episode is put this on to see the fitment and see if you have to trim, because I have a lot of people is been contact me and ask me and saying that they have to trim these lights to fit them into the lenses, especially on these two. So I'm gonna remove those. I'm gonna put the ones from Cartering Home and see the fitment on them. And just like I did before, I have my tool. I'm gonna press on this side to remove the lens. This is the kit for Cartering Home. We're just gonna check the fitment, but I'm gonna put this on to see if we see any difference. And this is the one that I had before. I know fitment is gonna be the same because they look just the same. This is the driver's side. Yeah, fits just perfectly. No issues. So I don't know why people they say that they had to trim these to get them to fit, but they fit just fine. Yeah, I don't see any issues with the new ones, but just because I have new ones and they don't have the link on Amazon no more for these ones, I'm gonna remove them and put the ones from Cartering Home. Perfect. As you can see, I don't have any issues on them. This is the one on the rear that I had before. I just need to remove it and put the other one. And this is the new one. And this is the old one. It has a adhesive on the back, but I don't need to stick this to my roof, because if I need to remove them, I can just remove them like that. Also, this is the construction from the new ones from Cartering Home, and this is the old one. It looks a lot better on the new one. The light's already on. No issues at all. Okay guys, so we have the same lights pretty much, but now I have the links for them. So there you have it guys, I leave it with that. This installation is something that I did just because I don't have the links for the other ones no more. In case that you ask me, the link is gonna be in the description for these ones if you wanna swap your LEDs. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.